the do or die for 2024 elections. No, for more that critics, Nana.
President, Mr. John Mahama or Pachau, because
I was so Pachau.
I mean, look, this is not idiomatic expression. As we are being told, these are NDC who are then one at the.
Also, we are school in terminal, Oman, idiomatic expression, Tina.
No, the man or the Ami school in term. In the Mala, I was Benjamin Cousins from Angola University. I'm secondary school leaver. In the Academy and Nentaza Obey Mujamuja. I've got global getting school Kachana, Obagacho, I miss it. President, then candidate Nana Kubaku. Of the guy order did die. I mean, Mubonich. That what he said in is laying a foundation for instability. And he should apologize. At a certain point in the political dispensation, he came out to apologize. And the President Mahama, you criticized him when he said all that he died. And all that he died in generally a idiomatic expression. But we were all afraid. Here now you were the time in our war NDC. And you go in the cashier, Chimna today, Assembly. The man was really good. And the other was like a thing. They will patch up. Then we move forward as a nation. Our politics should be healthy. And when you try to satisfy the mob will lead you into action. Maybe you will live to regret. But in politics, there should be no regret. The man, that's how we build a nation. That's why the idiomatic expression of Rome was never built in a day. Should be a guiding principle for all of us as politicians.
Do you see Mr. Mahama as trying to satisfy the mob?
Mr. That statement is for the mob.
Uncle Allotey, Uncle Allotey Jacobs, a former Central Regional Chairman of the NDC. Or no,
that's the problem that we have. And it is with all political parties.
Kabibebusa said, and no contributed to political parties not drifting away from their original ideologies. Anna.
No, the ideology will always be there. And you are President Guvobey or Shatide will build individuals into entrepreneurs. Some Ghanaians were against it. But building somebody into entrepreneurship, and he employed hundreds of people into OE's government begging of unemployment. But socialism now even more preaching. There's nothing like socialism was as it do.
Sir.
Therefore, Russia war practice communism, more about socialism here. One people here, what did the car open? One government appointees here, they were damn rich because the system has to leave. But Ghana is quite different. When you go to the owner of your company. I'm Bernard. He is Bernard. I like his style. Yeah, this style in your this style. I like his style.
Sir.
Oh, sure. That is his brand. In politics, and you're a leader. You have to create a brand around you. The brand wound to me has come to stay. I mean, educated fisherman. There's a brand. The brand goes with certain kind of attitude and character. So sometimes don't blame him, but sometimes you offer too much better. Most of this is. You see, I have one of the better friend who bro. Tone down. But it's a brand. And people are jealous of it.
Hey, sir.
You see, they are not dissecting into the man wound to me. So how did wound to me became wound to me? Was it through MPP? The man is self-made. And then no get MPP. And then MPP no man no even a regional chairman. The brand, you cannot destroy the brand want to be. It has come to stay. This is what people should accept. So that more of your in there, any politicians belonging to various political divides. You for read to do the TV, you nonsense, stupid, you corrupt. Over you share we are the party as in Aga. We eat together, we drink together. We even ask for each one's help. And then the food soldiers, because of gullibility, the food soldiers.
We are you for we are babunua. And Kaubetum painting qua, no pow twasia bompaya makufuado, any MPP.
Okay.
Now, men sorry, and could this useless journalist or more brother. To say Captain Smart or more brother, crow for tattoo or more power, Captain Smart, or your crow for first class. Now, in the coming week, you know, we will show you what's a meaning MPP. Maybe Papa, who comes a barredu, a brow or MP. I was Santi Achimov. Yeah, Papa, no copy of Busia di Triane. So, only one. You catch also the one of President Kufo. Comes a President Kufo. Go and ask President Kufo. Me turn us at television so I catch you. Me or Fanny and Adua Sabre. MPP chairman for Santi Achimov.
Funding members. Yeah.
What you say? Yeah, your Papa, no, for phone and do music catch MPP. So, if you care to know her, I'm telling you today. Say, if you don't know her, it's in the year Bria. Say no man coaching as your sorry in your casa because of this young Quaquagani. May catch them what bill say, O crown now board one. Kumasi also your Bema Bra Kumasi and no Kozongo police station.
Don't go there.
Uncle Sogo, yeah, continue docket in Napi. In the coming weeks, I will come and read all your dockets on radio. Useless being, nincompoop like you. Ghana Anuna, you find your man so easy. Kakati Smart Benya Kukudro, Abidjan radio show, TV show, EDD president at them.
So do be at them.
So I said it's onion do. Me say, oh ye crowful number one. Book be I can't find confident trickster. Me del. So we say, whoa, Zongo police station, no more the bench warrant. Bench warrant. Met one board radio journalist book, Masia.
But that's my check.
As one make a check. Na sani pa
wani awadi atwam dia se
character or that character recently odi mama kwata din akwa ji akobu oba besia ajini sika
that case dia mama kwata na need
asema make I don't care I have the facts say am we need to show actually mama test woman be a platinum furniture any Captain Smart platinum furniture me be ya che o sisia checks no mama wa bono video so me na me de ma Canada Japan me be ya kire wo ha o ko sign check furniture 5,000 Ghana cedis wonya sika ntua o so la better radio so ye didi 5,000 cedis so o tua ye no o sign check na bounce e ko pie afiatenge ani mo police headquarters me ba be ya kire and this new compu has got the guts me say me no be kono pepe okuma wo so wo sia che wa ne ba eti meme de obe kan bi a wo se meme makobu obi e wo Germany nipa no pa wo ye bema I'm daring you to take it in Germany na kiemfa camera si oso na ko kire me nipa na o se me de ka I'm daring you today
oso bu obi
o se meme bu obi o Germany
ajini sika
10,000 euros me say me ntesa wo Captain Smart me ntesa wo me suban ntesa wo
now vote of
they say me
no confidence in the constitution what sign with the ana
they say me ya kire
wo be baso but what sign with the
you check na kire na me dia kire wo cameraman when we say me ntwantro God's brain shaft guy Captain Smart linsem fu kodi ya okosan check e ma ne bounce ye ye copy police headquarters okobu nkotodwe pa acho Fuatenge na investigator. Me be ya cho me ntwanto
Ghana for
enie minua fato